Hey, it's Jack here. Look what arrived in the mail. It is a box from Hall of Fame Sports Cards in Arcadia, California. Inside this box are 2 more boxes of top Star Wars Holocron series trading cards. Let's open the big box and see what's inside the small box. Just like in previous videos, we're going to use a Kayla Cummins K-Pop knife to open our box. Sports Cards did a great job of packing these boxes up. They wrapped them inside the box and then inside bubble wrap. There's a tape here. We'll just cut through that. And this is what we're dealing with. Today we'll open up one box and there will be another video where we open the second box. Inside the box there are 18 packs. Inside each pack there are 8 cards. There's a guaranteed autograph, 1 per box. We got a Ahsoka Tano, Kira, Clone Troopers Phase 1, Vickrol, Tion, Green Rune, a green Luke Skywalker, and our planet card. We have Watto, Kylo Ren, Imbo, Forlom, Seventh Sister, a green child, a green Luke Skywalker, and we have the Endor for our planet card. We have Chancellor Valorum, Allegiant General Pride, Saw Gerrera, Lando Calrissian. Oh, this is a special print of Kazan Andor. When you see a flipped over card like that, it means it is a special print. And there's a green General Pride, there's a foil Chewbacca, and we have a Obi-Wan Kenobi lightsaber card. Supreme Chancellor Palpatine, C-3PO, Chewbacca, Grand Moff Tarkin, Darth Sidious, Val, Han Solo, and our planet card of Alderaan. We have Obi-Wan Kenobi, Janna, Darth Vader, R2-D2, Chopper, Captain Phasma, that's a green Captain Phasma, a foil Tusken Raider, Luke Skywalker's lightsaber, Rune Hako, Kadel, Hera, Yoda, Anakin Skywalker animated, Ezra animated, it's green, Chancellor Valorium, it's green, and Rescue on the Death Star. Have Agent Kallus, Emperor Palpatine, Jawa, Dryden Voss. Oh, there's a good looking Rey card. Green Darth Vader, green Bo-Katan, and Frozen Imprisonment Han Solo. Anakin Skywalker, Zori Bliss, Newt, Captain Andor, C-3PO, Grand Moff Tarkin in a green. There's a 5th brother that is foil, and an Anakin Skywalker lightsaber card. There's DJ, Yoda, Sith Trooper, Cibola, oh, a nice looking Rey card, Governor Price, Moff Gideon, and Mission to Starkiller Base. Okay, there we have Allah, Darth Vader, Luke Skywalker, Moff Jared, Satine, Princess Leia, a foil Luke Skywalker, K2SO, Boba Fett, Grand Inquisitor. There's a Queen Amidala, General Leia, IG-88, green IG-88, Lando Calrissian foil, and our planet card. Getting near the bottom of the box here, we've got 6 packs left. Let's see where we go. Jabba the Hutt, Pre, there's Omera, Jar Jar Binks, General Hux, Bib, Cadell, a green one, and a Kit lightsaber. Have a Darth Vader, General Grievous, C-3PO, young Han Solo, a Harrison Ford Han Solo, a Maz. Oh, we got a orange card here, Bistan, and our lightsaber card is Qui-Gon Jinn. Okay, these cards are individually numbered, and this is a very low number card. We look here in the bottom corner, we'll see that this is number 2 of 99. So we have Enfys, IG-88, First Order Stormtrooper, Han Solo, Kira, Mon Mothma, that's a mouthful, and a lightsaber card. Governor Price, Han Solo, Yoda, Kayan Jarrus, R2-D2, Ashoka, Supreme Leader Snoke, which is a foil card, and facing off against the Crimson Dawn, Darth Vader, Tobias Beckett, Bossk, Yoda, the Emperor, Ashoka, Green Ashoka, Imperial Shore Trooper, and Serendipity at the Cantina. We are on our last pack, and we've yet to get an autograph, so that means that this pack in the bottom right corner should be an autograph. Autograph we get, because this should be the autograph pack. Since 17 packs have been opened, this is our 18th. We have Finn, Boba Fett, IG-11, Wicket, and here's our autograph. This is a Phil Eason autograph card of Yaddle. It looks like Yoda, but it's Yaddle. Very cool. And these are all individually numbered. 206 out of 298 autographs. So Phil Eason as Yaddle. For our card breakdown, we had 26 of the green cards. And as I've said in my prior videos, I don't know what the count is supposed to be per box. In my last box I had 25 green cards. In the prior one it was a different count, I think it was 28. And this one is 26. The foil card breakdown according to Topps is you'll get one in every other pack. And that breaks down there. We have 9 foil cards in this box. For our lightsaber cards, we did get shorted 1 lightsaber card in this box. The lightsaber cards are supposed to be 1 in every 3 packs. We got 5 lightsaber cards instead of 6. In this box I received 1 short print card. Ironically, this is the same short print card I had in my last box. If you check the video out there. But 1 short print card. There's a total of 25 short print cards, but they don't say what the ratio is per box. Received 1 orange card, and the orange cards are 1 in every 22 packs. So far with the 3 boxes I've opened, I've received at least 1 orange card, in some cases 2 orange cards per box. This particular orange card, Bistan, it is number 2 of number 99. And lastly, our autograph insert was of Phil Eason, who is the voice of Yaddle. Individually numbered card is number 206 of 298. Not a bad spread for the inserts. We were only shorted 1 lightsaber. Other than that, I can't complain with this box. Well, that was an exciting box. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for future content. We'll catch you on the next one.